Okay, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richard Razor Sharp back with another video, and today we're going to do a product unboxing of the Wahl premium clipper carry case. So if you saw my Instagram earlier this week, you'll have seen I posted a picture of barberblades.co.uk's Instagram where they showed they'd just got in this Wahl premium clipper barber case. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I've got to have it, as the majority of my barbering work is mobile. So I purchased it. It's just arrived. I'm going to unbox it now. We'll have a look at it and I'll give you my thoughts on what I think of this clipper case from Wahl. So let's get into it, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, leave your questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to bring some more quality content to you real soon. So let's get into this, guys. Peace. Okay guys, so here it is, the Wahl premium clipper case. I'm just going to take in a quick run through it. So as you can see, the material, it's not real leather, it's kind of like a fake leather, but it still has a very premium feel to it. And then you've got this nice metal Wahl badge here that's just attached to the case to give it that premium feel and that premium look with the nice stitching. And then you've got the locks here, which you do get 2 keys if you wanted to lock the case. And let's just open it up inside. And inside, I don't know how well you can see this from the video, but you've got this wonderful, really soft velour material on the inside, and this padded cover that you can then just lift out. I'm just going to pop that on the ground. There we go. And here we go. Inside you've got this, once again, that lovely velour for you to put your clippers in, which I'll do in a minute. And they're of different sizes depending on what clippers that you're going to put inside the case. And then you can lift out this internal insert. So if you wanted to keep your clippers up on a table, if you're in a hotel or in a mobile location. Then you've got this tray inside as well, once again, that you can put more equipment, but you can also lift this out as well to give yourself even more space if you wanted. So it's actually very spacious on the inside, but really has a really premium feel to it. I hope you can see that from the video. I also love this little detail here where you've got this metal badge on the inside, which you can actually have engraved, so you could have your name in or whatever you want, so people know who this clipper case belongs to and the equipment within it, which I just think is a nice little detail from Wahl. Okay, so this is the clipper bag that I've been using previously for my mobile work, and in there I've got my clippers, my trimmers. My Andy Supra's not in there at the moment, but yeah, I keep all of my equipment in here. So we're going to see how this fits into the Wahl premium clipper case. Okay viewers, I'm going to give you a quick show of what I've been able to fit into this Wahl premium clipper case. So at the top I've got my barber cape, got a mirror, I've just got a few tools in there: brush, cutthroat, clipper brush, also my cutthroat razor blades as well. And now in the main compartment, so I've got my Magic Clip Seniors, 2 trimmers, and my Supra ZR2s. So I can now lift this out. 1 second. There we go. And then underneath, so I've got my various clipper guards. I've got my scissors in my scissor case. Underneath I've got a comb case as well underneath there. I've just got that disinfectant anti-bump spray that I always use after I've done a trim. The brush just to brush down the client. Small towel, my afro combs. See my iZettle payment machine so I can take my card payments. Head torch. I've got my detachable blades for this Andy Super ZR2s. My barbicide. Always carry some talcum powder with me. And I always carry shoe covers as well when I'm going into a client's environment, just to keep their place as clean as possible. And then I've also got my power adapters in here, just in case it's needed. And underneath I've got some clipper oil, just some Andis clipper oil underneath, if you can see it, just there as well. So for me, that's a good enough setup for when I travel. And is everything that I need to do any kind of cut that a client would require. Obviously, what I can say now is I wouldn't fit in a hair dryer, so I'd probably carry that separately. But I hope you found that useful, just seeing what I've been able to fit into the Wahl clipper case. Okay guys, so there you have it, the Wahl premium clipper case. And what I'm going to do now is just give you my pros and cons of this clipper case, and I'm going to give it my personal score out of 10. So firstly, I'll say in terms of the pros, the first thing I'll say is the case has a true premium feel, and the build quality I think is excellent. I remember last year at Barbers Connect I viewed a number of clipper cases which were a lot more expensive than this one from Wahl, which is £89, and some of the other clipper cases were almost double that, and the build quality just wasn't there, and it didn't feel premium, and I just wasn't impressed, so I didn't buy them. So I think the build quality is awesome. Then the next thing is it just looks amazing. The moment you take it out of the box, you just look at it, you think, that looks good, it looks like you mean business. I think if you were walking into a top London or top international hotel, or you're walking onto a film set or into somebody's house to do a haircut, it looks like you mean business. So I like that about it. The third thing I'll say is that I think if you are a mobile barber that's cutting hair, say in hotels or in a house, or maybe on like it's a studio session that you're doing, I think it works for us. If you're someone that's a platform artist, or you are an educator and you need to carry a lot of equipment because you're going to be doing loads of different style haircuts on a day, then I might say that this case isn't for you. You might need one of those travel trolley cases because of the amount of equipment that you're going to carry. But if you don't need to carry loads of equipment, then I think this case is fantastic. And then the final thing is that it can be locked with keys as well, and it does, the locks do feel quite secure on it as well. So yeah, for me that's another pro. Now to the cons. The first thing I'll say is this case is quite heavy. Without my equipment in it, it did have a little bit of weight to it. Once I put my equipment in, it does feel quite heavy, which I expect anyway, because I carry a decent amount of equipment with me. But yeah, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. So with all the equipment that you saw in this video that I put in it, I would say the case, probably just guessing, probably was weighing somewhere between probably about 4.5 kilos. That's just a rough guess. The next thing I would say is that you have to think about where you put what within the case. So because of the clipper in tray, once that goes in, it needs to sit flush for the case to close. But where I put my barber side, I had to put it to the back of the case so that it could close properly. So you do have to think a little bit about where you put your equipment within the case. But for me, that's a minor thing. So to my overall score that I would give for this clipper case, for me, based on what I've seen on the market already in the UK, the price point that I've seen other cases at, which were a lot more expensive, and in cases that I've seen that were a lot cheaper than this, I give this case a solid 9 out of 10. It's not perfect. For me, the thing that would make it a little bit better is if it was a bit bigger. Maybe had a bit more depth to it, that I could get a bit more equipment into it, just in case that was needed. then it would be perfect. Like if you could also get in a hairdryer, that would be awesome. But other than that, the case is quality. It looks good, it feels good, and I think when you're out cutting hair in a mobile location, it's a great resource to have, because you can keep all of your equipment nicely organized, well laid out, and it just looks more professional. So guys, I personally would recommend it. Say £89, I think it's a great purchase. So I hope you found this review useful. If you have, please click that thumbs up, like, subscribe. If you have any more questions about the clipper case, put it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer for you guys. But take care, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. All right, peace.